Oh no, the bird stand just fell off with the wind. Oh no. Oh, my little duck is also broken. Goodness. Honestly, it was so heavy wind, it actually blew and thrown this away on the ground, and my duck is broken in two. My goodness. And then this bird top is all broken, so this have to be done. Redo it. So this was getting old anyway, so we'll do that hopefully soon, get that done. Oh no, look at this. Oh, the poor duck. I think it's a plastic, yeah, or something, that material. Okay, have a look. Ah, there it is. This goes there, I suppose. Yeah, I have to fix this. Oh, okay.